first United Nations Environmental Assembly, UNEA, was launched today in Nairobi, Kenya, where hundreds of high-profile delegates convened for this historic event. Organized by UNEP, the UN Environment Program headquartered in Nairobi, the event attracted 1,200 participants from government, business, and civil society from around the world. UNEA is a newly constituted world body for decision-making on the environment. It is tasked with looking at new ways in which the international community addresses environmental sustainability issues. For many, the creation of UNEA means the environment is getting its long overdue fair share of attention. Environmental concerns are finally receiving the same status as other major global issues, such as peace, security, finance, health, and trade.
Indeed, as of this morning, UNEA is born. A large part of the United Nations General Assembly membership, member states, observer states, but also major groups and stakeholders have made the journey here to our headquarters to witness what in many ways is history.
The 5-day event, dubbed A Life of Dignity for All, will cover key environmental themes, including sustainable consumption and production, financing the green economy, illegal trade in wildlife, and environmental rule of law. Today's agenda included a side event on sustainable consumption and production. Discussions revolved around the importance of improving access to cleaner and more affordable forms of energy and related services, as well as policy that commits both governments and industries to reduce the amount of resources used for their production. Another side event was on improving air quality in African cities. Around the continent, inefficient usage of resources is common, including cooking stoves and diesel oil, as well as the production of bricks. This leads to the production of smoke and soot, which trapped in the air increases the greenhouse effect. Gender issues are also included in UNEA discussions. The United Nations is gender inclusive and gender balanced. More than half of directors' jobs at UNEP are held by women. The role of women in tackling the environment crisis is a central tenet of the UN.
The economics of development doesn't add up anymore. And therefore, it is the integration of economic, environmental and social aspects in a sustainable development agenda currently being negotiated in New York through a new set of sustainable development goals that will hopefully help us to answer the question of how on earth will 7 and soon 10 billion people live together on this planet.